Good evening, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Today is November 22nd, 2023, and this is a breaking news update. We all know that Israel has brokered a deal to get some hostages released from Hamas, from the Palestinians. The deal was set to go forward on Thursday, November 23rd, but the deal has now been delayed, and the release will not happen before Friday. So I want to share with you what I see about this and why this is very important. Very, very important. Okay? And what it turns out to be then, okay, Israel says Gaza hostage release will not happen before Friday. Israel's national security advisor said the release of hostages under a temporary truce agreement with Gaza's Hamas rulers will not happen before Friday. Negotiations for the release of our captives are progressing and continue all the time. Israeli national security advisor Shaki Hanukkkah said in a statement released by the Prime Minister's office. The start of the release will proceed according to the original agreement between the parties and not before Friday. Okay, so here is the deal. Here is the situation. Friday is November 24th. Okay, you guys know that I am watching 9/24 on the Hebrew calendar. 9/24. The 24th day of Kislev is December 7th on the Hebrew calendar. Okay? Now, let's take a look at convert a date, and I want to show you why this is so important. December 7th on the Gregorian calendar, December 7th, is the same date on the Julian calendar is November 24th. 13-day difference. Okay? Kislev 24. December 7th, Kislev 24. And November 24. Now, remember, November means 9. 9/24. Kislev 24 is also 9/24. And December is the Gregorian date, but basically we have a match here between the 9/24, and on the Gregorian calendar, Kislev 24 is December 7th. Okay, so we have been watching this for the last few weeks. Very important as we're leading up to 9/24. We're watching for the second shaking of Haggai chapter 2, which is Hanukkah Eve, 9/24. Well, they're going to be releasing the first hostages on November 24th. November being the true 9th month. November 9/24. Okay, so I just want to bring this to everybody's attention. Everything that is happening is all scripted perfectly. They know exactly what they're doing. They know when everything has to happen. They say it's going to happen on Thursday, and now it's not going to happen on Thursday. It's going to happen on Friday. Well, we'll see what happens if they do go through with it, and what is going to end up happening. But I want to show you that this is a mirror of Hanukkah, of what we're waiting for. On December 7th is 9/24, and they are starting the countdown. The last 13 days, they're starting the countdown with the release of the hostages on November 24th. Do you understand what I am sharing with you? Okay? This is what I am sharing with you. Israel says Gaza hostage release will not happen before Friday. That is November 24th. And this is the exact day on the Gregorian calendar is December 7th. The Julian calendar is November 24th. Okay. And the Hebrew date is Kislev 24. So this is a mirror of everything we're waiting for on December 7th. And it's going to be kicking off a final 13-day countdown leading to Hanukkah. And now we have the beginning of the release of the hostages. What does the Bible say? When they say peace and safety, sudden destruction. When is the sudden destruction going to come? On 9/24, according to Haggai chapter 2. The first shaking already took place on October 7th, which was the 21st day of the 7th month. The 7th day of Tabernacles was the day the war began. In the 7th month, in the 21st day of the month, the shaking of the heavens and the earth began. And now there's a second shaking that is going to be taking place on 9/24, Kislev 24, which is December 7th. But 9/24 is also 11/24. And so all of this is part of this scripted plan of everything that they are doing. And I just want to bring this to everybody's attention. 9/24 is 9/24 is 9/24. Are you following what I am sharing with you? Please be ready at all times. Jesus is at the door. I pray you are blessed. This is Steve Fletcher with the trumpet for my people, the sign of his coming revealed.